Hi and welcome to this video. In this video, we will talk about how to create an email marketing template or templates. I think the first question that we need to answer is how we are going to send these templates. In case you have a marketing platform, this means that you need to check the specifications or the guidelines for this marketing platform to create the perfect template for it. Or some they have already pre-designed templates that you can use. But today we will talk about a quick solution. If you don't have a marketing platform and you have just Gmail or Outlook, so what's the solution? The solution is very easy. You can use Word to create the templates, and from Word, you can copy your templates to Outlook or to Gmail and then send them to your potential clients. Let's start by opening Word. And here we have Word. We need to switch to web layout because this is print layout, and for emails, we need web layout. And here we have a web layout. We need to create a table. Let's go to insert. And then let's create a table. We need how many rows? We need, I think, around 4 rows. For example, we need one for the banner, one for the text, the intro text, and we need one for the products that you want to promote. And then we need one for the footer. So let's create it with 4. The second or the first thing that we need to do is to center our table. Let's go to table layout and then properties. And then here we can center our template or our table, and we can give it a width or preferred width. I'm gonna give it 20 centimeters or 21. You can make it less. So 21.1 is going to be around 800 pixels, which is for me the perfect size for an email template. You can go down to 600 pixels, it's up to you, but now let's stick to the 800 pixels. Now we need to remove the borders and then to activate the grid lines. And that's pretty much it. Now we need to go and find a banner. And this is going to be an easy thing. We need just to go to some online stock image website. I think Unsplash or Pixabay or Pixels, anyone that has a free license even for commercial use, and Unsplash is a good option. So let's take a wallpaper city. Let's take this image, let's download it. And then let's insert it here. And as you can see, the image is huge. We need to resize it. So now let's stick to 21 pixels, and then we need to make it a bit smaller. So this is enough. The width now is around, I think I adjusted the height. Now let's adjust the width. This is the template, or this is the banner. You can use PowerPoint or any other program to write on it, but not here in Word, because you need at the end to export the image and the text as one image, because text and image in the background are not going to work in email templates. Now we need text. I'm just going to use Lorem Ipsum, which is a dummy text. You can use your own text. This is text. Now we need to create two columns layout. We can create it using another we can create it using another table. And this one is to promote the um, products that you are gonna offer, or even the articles that you are gonna offer. There is something that you see here, which is the spacing. We need to adjust the spacing. We need to go to table layout, properties, and then we need to go to cell. And here under cell, we need to uncheck same as the whole table. And let us make it 0, left and right, and 5 bottom and top. 0.5 centimeters, which is around 5 millimeter, which is 5 millimeters. And now it looks, if we remove the grid lines, it looks much better. Now here we can also do the same properties and then center the table. We did it here under cell, which is not going to work. We need to do it under table. Now it's centered. And here at the bottom, we can add maybe a color to distinguish the footer from the other content. And here we can insert below another insert below, and here we can add some text. We can remove the borders as well, like the main table, and we can insert some imagery here and add some text to the footer. The video is not about going into details and creating 100% a template that you are going to use in your marketing templates. The video is just to show you how you can create quickly like a template. It needs some fine tuning, but this is how in general you create it. In my channel, I have a lot of videos about creating these kind of templates. I have even a 1 hour tutorial explaining in a very detailed way how to adjust all these options in the in when you are creating the template. Now, after finishing or fine tuning, we can just go here to the plus icon here at the top and copy the template and go to Outlook, for example. And then we go to new. We have a new template, and as you can see, our template is here and working. I haven't finished it, but it's just about demonstrating the idea. As I said, I have a lot of videos explaining the design and the fine tuning. And here you can start a merge options. So if you have a list of emails or people or recipients, you can just use it as a merge option here in Outlook. Because now Outlook is removing or Microsoft is removing the merge from Word and integrating it directly into Outlook. Yeah, so as you see here in the middle, we have start merge, and when we press on start merge, we can here choose recipients, and here you can create a group or a list of recipients, and then you can send it to them all. And that's all for today, creating a marketing email template or even templates. And if you have any question, please leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe.